Come test drive the 2020 Ford Transit Connect wagon. The Ford Transit Connect wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive. Your new ride is just a phone call away.